Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Today, as title suggests, I am making some stir-fried Szechuan style cabbage. This recipe is really simple, easy to make, but it's really delicious. So with that, let's just get started. Alright, let's go over everything that I will be using. Here's the cabbage I'm using. It says here in my market that it's a Korean cabbage, oval shape instead of just round regular shape, but I don't think there's any reason you shouldn't use just a green regular cabbage. I have 1 carrot here, 2 green onions, and what I will do is I will chop and stir fry the whole green onion. Second one, I'll just use the white part, and the green part will be just for garnish. I got 5 cloves of garlic, this much unpeeled ginger, beautiful Szechuan peppercorns, dried chili peppers, white pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and for the very end we'll use some black Chinese vinegar. Let's start with the cabbage. So we'll just take the leaf, break it off, and start tearing it by hand. One thing that I wanted to mention, check your cabbage and make sure it's clean. If you do wash your cabbage, make sure that you dry it as much as possible before you stir fry, because we don't want to steam it, we just want to stir fry it, right? It needs to be dry. Pretty rough, and that's the key point here. Here's a mountain of my cabbage, hand torn. Well, I've got everything chopped up. My carrot match sticking technique needs improvement, but it will do for now. I think it looks pretty good. We'll be keeping garlic and ginger chopped up in really rough pieces so that they won't burn. So right, on the medium-high heat, let's preheat pan. New pan, by the way. Check this out, guys. Let's see how it works. Sesame seed oil, couple tablespoons. And now, garlic, ginger, white parts of onion. I was a little too early, sorry, but once it starts sizzling like this, you just want to season your oil. Oh, such a great smell. Chili peppers. Once you start smelling the chilies, it's time to go in with the carrot. The doneness of the cabbage and its softness is up to your taste, but the carrot does take a little while. Look at that beautiful color. You will start seeing that the oil takes a little orange color. I don't know if you can see. And the carrot is quite soft. Now it's time for Szechuan peppercorns. I did not want to add them too early so that they won't burn. And, oh, wow, what a smell. Ooh, so fragrant. Okay, now get in with the cabbage. Try to give your best stir to it. And now we wait, stirring occasionally till the cabbage feels right to your taste. Look at that color, so nice. Look how it decreased in size, you see, because it gives out the moisture. So don't worry if it looks like a little too much at the beginning. Now this is to my liking. I'm gonna go in with some oyster sauce. Give it a good mix through. Off the heat, I added some soy sauce so it doesn't burn. The cabbage feels really nice and soft. At this point, we are pretty much done. And if you want, you can thicken the sauce, but I won't. So, one final touch. Turn off the heat. Let it calm down a little bit. Move away here. And we'll add the black Chinese vinegar. Not much, just about a tablespoon. That smell. Give this a nice stir through. And this pan is definitely non-stick, especially on the outside. Look how much it moves. Well, it's time to try it. It definitely smells absolutely amazing. I love it. All these colors. That's beautiful. It's so flavorful. Definitely has a little heat, little numbing sensation from Szechuan peppers. Absolutely delicious. You know what I remembered? I remembered that I forgot to add white pepper. It's okay, guys, it's no problem, but hopefully you won't forget. If you have it, white pepper has a really nice flavor and smell. It's delicious. One more bite. Guys, simple but so good. Well, now it's your turn. Go ahead and make it, give it a try, experiment with the different types of cabbage. I don't know, next time I'll use the green cabbage and see how well that will do. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you all the best, as always. Till next time, take care.